how to remove an image background using Adobe Express. In today's tutorial, I'll be revealing how you can remove a particular image background. You crop it out using Adobe Express. If it's the first time of visiting my YouTube channel, remember to subscribe, like, and don't forget to share this video if this is helpful to you. After downloading Adobe Express from Google Play Store, you sign up, you now proceed and you open the app. So once you open Adobe Express, this is the interface. You proceed and you click on the plus sign. That is for new projects. You'll see a lot of features which I'll be covering here. The first one below is Adobe Stock. We have Gallery, which is from your phone. We have Libraries. We have Solid Colors, and we have Background. So I'll be going with Background. You see all the backgrounds here in case you want to use any background. But since we are removing the background of a particular image, an image have an existing background, we'll click on Solid Colors. So once we click on Solid Colors, we now click on Next. You see all social media sizes ranging from Instagram, Instagram Story, Instagram Portrait. So we click on the Instagram. Let's make use of it. So this write-up is default. So how do we remove it? We tap on the write-up, we click on Delete. So if you want to import your image to this app, you click on Add. Then you now click on Photos. So I'll be covering this point, then I will select the image I want to remove the background. I will click on the image, then I will click on Add. If you select more than one image, the number will increase. So I will uncheck it since I'm using just one image, then I'll click on Add One. This option will now pop up, Pinned to Background. I will click on Move Freely. So at this point, if you want to crop the image, you can crop it by clicking on Crop or Shape and Shape. You crop it to any length you want. But if you don't want to crop it, you leave it. If you want to fill up the space, you hold at the end, you now drag. You drag. Now, after doing that, there is an option here, Remove Background. You click on Remove Background. You allow it to load. As you can see, we've succeeded in removing the existing background of this image. So if you are okay with it, you click on Done. If you want to change the background, you just change to, you tap on the background, you click on Color, and you play around with the color if you wish to change the color of the background. If you wish to change this to this color, you can play around with it and change it. So this is how you can remove and change background of any image using Adobe Express. Remember to subscribe, like, and share if this video is helpful to you. The bonus part of this tutorial is if you want to save it right now, you click on the downloads icon. You now see an option to download. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you.